Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find templates on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. Click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the third option, the settings. Click to the fourth option, the templates, under the notes, and here you can find the daily note option, and here you can turn off the automatically create a note each day option, and you can select a template for this function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.